flames. Anywho, this is how or where we are with the current project. Everything is out, not everything, or pistons and conrods are out. You can see down there. All right, so yeah, the bores are okay. There's no ridge, there's no scratches or scuffing. All right, so yeah, we are all good there. And then unfortunately we had to change the pistons. I'm about to change the pistons. Take a look at the scoring over there. Can you see that? That's not good. It's due to overheating. Apparently my client, but it happened 5 years ago. Apparently my client had an overheating situation whereby he lost water and didn't notice until it was too late. He saw steam and all that drama. So what are we gonna do right now? We're gonna remove only the pistons. We've got brand new pistons. Yeah, we've got brand new pistons, and then yeah, let's catch you later. And this is what I'm currently doing right now. Peace. Okay, let's roll. Yeah. Okay, another thing that you'd want to do if you're doing this yourself, guys. Okay, so I'm sure it's confusing if you've got all of them together like this. How can you tell if this is piston number 1 or piston number 2 and so forth? So what I've done, I've devised this kind of a thing whereby I punch a number, so I know that okay, conrod the cap for conrod number 1 is 1 dot, as you can see. And then for number 3, there's how many dots? There's 3 dots, and so forth. So it's another smart way of working things out. So let's carry on. So what you'd want to do is remove this clip over here. I'm not sure if you can see. There's a clip over here, right? There's a clip there. There's a ring. It's a clip that you need to remove. It's the one locking the Cajun pin to the conrod and the piston, so you have to remove it, and then it's gonna jump, guys. Luckily enough, I know my pistons have their own locking mechanism, so even if it gets lost, no biggie. See, it just flew away, but it's off. What I meant when I said it's better if it's like this. Then after that, you're gonna wanna hit this guy out, the Cajun pin. So okay, what I usually use is an extension. Voila, can you see? Let's get the new piston. There we go. brand spanking new. Oh, guess what? I don't need to wash Mr. Gaijin pin. It comes with its own Gaijin pin on also. You see, it comes with its own locks, and these ones are simpler because they've got hooks. And then obviously you saw the Gaijin pin. So another thing, guys, that you need to know about newer pistons. Every piston, in fact, it's just that these ones are older and darker, so they always point an arrow. You see this arrow? I'm not sure if you can see. There's an arrow there. You see this arrow here? Okay, let me do this. There's an arrow there. Can you see it? So this arrow means that it must face the cam belt side of the engine. Not the gearbox side of the engine. The cam belt side of the engine is the proper one. And yeah, it's still standard. STD means standard, guys. So let's carry on. Also, you can tell which side of the engine this conrod faces by there's notches here. Can you see there's notches? And also there's VW. VW means Audi. There's an Audi there. So it faces like this, meaning the arrow, this piston will be like this. You need to aim this so that Mr. Gaijin pin can enter, right? Just like that. Easy as pie, right? Then we've got our new piston, right? Let's double check the direction. It would be a shame for us to start this all over again. So we said, Mr. Piston, the arrow must face the cam belt, right? Like that. Here's Mr. Arrow here, meaning if this side is a cam belt, that side is the gearbox. And then obviously VW and Audi are facing the radiator. So we are done, guys. I'm not gonna show you all of these. Let me get done with this one, and then you're gonna be on time lapse. There's the dead piston, can you see? Check the way there, right? So it's no good for compression. Now I want number.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't
don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh*t. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh*t. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into